Okay, so first of all we open Excel, so click on, so I'm doing this on a Windows 10 PC. I think it's fairly similar on a Mac. So click on the Windows button, then click on Excel, and then it will load a new blank workbook. Now as you see, it's not quite filling the screen, so if you click on that square there, it fills the screen. Got a bit more space. If you want to make another new file at any time, you just click on File, Blank Workbook, like that. Before you start working on a spreadsheet, I highly recommend the first thing you do is to actually save it under a name. So that means that if the computer does crash, or you push the off button or pull the plug out by mistake, which does happen to me occasionally, it means that everything gets auto-saved under the correct file name and it's easy to restore. So the default name is book 7, which is pretty meaningless. Let's give this file a name. So File, Save As, and then we can navigate to a folder if we like with Browse, or we can just click on the default directory. So let's call it Basic Excel Course. Save. As you see, it's got the new name up there. First of all, I just want to run through a few things, what's on the screen at the moment. Like the top line, it's got autosave, it's got save, so anytime I do anything I can always keep on clicking save. You can also undo things and redo things.